Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great in your life. You are safe, you are amazing wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for letting me know that I help you out in some manner. This is your general love reading for the month of April 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope I help you out in some manner, but please take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the general love reading for the month of April, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. And I don't read reversals, gender, it's not specific here. Again, I'm telling you that. Okay, if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you, Aquarius. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages for you, Aquarius, in the month of April 2021 for love. But before starting your reading, I have already uploaded your general reading. You can have a look on that too. And in this also, I'm going to tell you that there was 4 times sun which I was getting here while doing your meditation and pre-shuffling. I got sun at bottom of the deck. Okay, in my 4 decks I was getting the sun. I have already showed in that. Okay, there was sun, 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 sun. So there are new happy beginnings and some kind of beautiful miracles which are coming for you, Aquarius, in the month of April. Okay, some kind of truth, some kind of new happy beginning is coming for you in the month of April. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages. Let's see. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world for the month of April. What messages I need to deliver? Please give me the messages. Help me out to deliver the messages which are important for my Aquarius. Let's start. What are the messages for Aquarius? Wow, that's great. 8 of cup and 9 of cup. Here, Aquarius. Can you see 8 of cup and 9 of cup? Both are here. You are walking away from some situation or person, and you're leaving this person behind or a situation behind. You are moving in a forward direction in search of your 9 of cups, and here you are getting your wish fulfillment. 9 of cups, 8 of cups, and 9 of cups both are together. That's great. That's superb. Let's see. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver for Aquarius for the month of April 2021. King of Swords. 9 of Swords. Someone is unable to sleep at night here, Aquarius. That can be you. Okay, let me see more. What are the messages? Please give me the messages. Someone is spending sleepless nights. Okay. 10 of Wands. Queen of Cups. Wow, see, bottom of the deck I'm having 3 of Swords and again the Sun. 2 of Cups. Someone break your heart, Aquarius. They put you in a third party situation. Let me see more cards first. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages? Temperance. Ten of Cups. 3 of Wands. What are the messages? Please give me the messages. Death. And the Star. Oh wow. You won't believe it. Star and the Tower. And in your main reading also I was getting the Tower card here, Aquarius. This is very powerful reading. Death, Star and the Tower, three major arcanas. Okay, can you see? Death, Star and the Tower. The one who break your heart is crushing towards you, Aquarius, who put you in a third party situation. Can you see? Knight of Swords, Three of Swords and Four of Swords again. You are healing, you are doing your healing. There is a lot of synchronicities here. Eight of Cups, Nine of Cups, Three of Swords, Four of Swords, Two of Cups. You are healing, you are doing your healing here. The one who break your heart is coming back. They are rushing towards you. Because they are not happy without you here, Aquarius. Five of Cups. They are feeling very sad, remorse, guilt to not having you in their life. Hierophant. Either you are married to this person or you are committed to this person for a long period of time. See, I told you. Four of Swords, Two of Cups and the Sun. Sun came out again. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Three of Swords. This person break your heart. They put you in a third party situation. Now let's start your reading. Let me adjust my cards first. Someone leave you out. Someone move in a forward direction in search of Eight of Cups. They move in a forward direction in search of Nine of Cups. Wish fulfillment. Okay, so now they are getting to know, but after getting to know about wish fulfillment, they are spending sleepless nights. Someone is here who cannot sleep at night here, Aquarius. Can you see? This can be other air energy here, but this person was emotionally unavailable to you, okay? And you were available to this person. You were giving lot of love to this person here. Can you see? You are offering your love to this person, but this person was emotionally unavailable for you. Now they are spending sleepless night. They cannot sleep at night here, Aquarius. And you are releasing all the burdens which you are carrying on their shoulders, on your shoulders here. Can you see? Ten of Wands is the completion. So you are releasing all the burdens which you are carrying on your shoulders, and you are keeping your temperance, your patience with this situation, with this person. Can you see? Temperance, patience card is here. Either you are having family dynamic with this person. Can you see? Because here I'm having Hierophant and Ten of Cups both. Okay, so maybe you are married to this person, or you are having already kids with this person. That can be a possibility here. Or you want to make a family with this person. That can be also a possibility, that you want to create a family with this person, but you are keeping your patience with you, Aquarius. You are waiting for this person for a long period of time. Can you see? Three of Wands is here. Now that waiting period is over. The Death card is here. This waiting time is over. This is death and rebirth. Okay, someone can be the dealing with water sign. Lot of cup energies here. Okay, air sign and water sign can be a possibility here, but I never mentioned signs because sign can be anyone here. So death and rebirth transformation is taking place for you. Your waiting period is over. There are new hopes. See, I just yes, that's right. The star. The new hopes, new desires are coming for you, Aquarius. This is you, the star. Star belongs to Aquarius. New hopes, new desires are coming for you. There are sudden unexpected changes, Aquarius, which are going to happen in your life here. Okay, there is transformation, there is spiritual ascension, which I am getting, spiritual awakening or ascension. Okay, you becoming more spiritual mature. That's the word I'm getting, spiritual mature than before. Okay, this is the divine intervention, when divine intervenes in your situation so that you can make the necessary changes which are important for you. Now you're becoming spiritual mature here, Aquarius, and you're doing your inner work, you're doing your healing here from this past hurts, from the heartbreak. 1010 was the recording reading time. That's the completion. Okay, you're completing a cycle, a karmic cycle. You are ending a karmic cycle here. Okay, you're closing out a cycle, you're resting, you're rejuvenating yourself, you're doing your inner work. And here I'm having Two of Cups and the Sun. This is new happy beginnings which are coming for you in love. Okay, let's see what are the oracle messages. In the extended, I'm going to see these cards in the extended. Okay, the Tower. This is very powerful, Aquarius. This is the third time I'm getting Tower here. From this deck too, you can have a look in that reading too. Okay, there was someone. Tower is here. This is the third Tower which I'm getting here. Tower, and in your general reading also I was getting the Tower. And in your general reading also there was Three of Swords energy here. Whatever past, whatever person who break your heart many times, who put swords in your heart, heartbreaks, heartaches, okay, who put you in a third party situation, this energy was there in your main reading too, in your general reading too, but you are getting from that energy here too. Can you see, this is the Tower card again from this deck too. Let me see more. What are the messages for Aquarius? Some big unexpected changes are coming for you, Aquarius, and that changes are not bad at all. See, Temperance is again, you need to keep your patience, your temperance with you, Aquarius. Keep your patience. Keep your patience. This is the connection where divine is intervening in your situation here. Okay, have patience. Change is always good. And here again I'm having the World. I just told you few minutes back, this is the karmic completion. You are closing out a cycle here. So World card is here. Maybe you are feeling like an hangman, okay, but don't feel like an hangman. You are just closing out a karmic cycle with the Emperor here. Emperor is coming out. Any other message? Wow, Justice, Emperor, Magician, Star, High Priestess. Bottom of the deck I'm having Empress here. Can you see? Emperor and the Empress both are here, Aquarius. You getting karmic justice in your life. Okay, there are new hopes, new desires which are coming for you, Aquarius, because you are taking the charge of your life here. You're getting karmic justice here because you are taking the control of your life in your own hands. Okay, you're deciding for your life, you are taking the charge of your life in your hands. You are manifesting your new beginnings here. Can you see, the Star is again here in your reading, in your main oracle too, the Star and the Star. So you are manifesting the new beginnings, new hopes, new desires for you, Aquarius. And here I'm having High Priestess, and that's right, you are right now very intuitive. You are using your intuitions, you are doing your manifestation powers. You are using your manifestation powers. Magician also belongs to Aquarius. So you are using your manifestation powers, your intuitions to get new hopes and new desires in your life. And here you are dealing with your divine counterpart. Here I'm having Emperor and the Empress both. Some big changes are coming for you. Some sudden big changes, okay, are coming for you. Let me see. What are the messages? In the extended, I'm going to see these cards in the deeper level, and I'm going to clarify these cards so that I can get more information about these cards. But I told you that there are new happy beginnings, Aquarius. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. So new happy beginnings are coming for you. Let's see what are the messages from the deck. Chakra Wisdom Oracle deck. Maybe some of you are getting impatient. Don't get impatient. Keep your temperance with you, Aquarius. Okay, have patience, have temperance. Let's see, what are the messages for Aquarius? Balance. See again, balance. Balance is going to come in your life, Aquarius. Justice, balance. There was no balance in your life. Creation, again manifestation, because you created it in your life. You are doing your manifestation. You want balance in your life here. Can you see? Balance is here. And balance is coming for you because you are creating it. Creation, you are the creator of your life. Let me see any other message. Service. So you are getting the blessings of the service which you have provided in your family to the old ones, okay, who has passed away, who is not there, but they're giving the blessings to you, Aquarius. You're getting the blessings from your ancestors, okay. And here I'm having self-worth. Now you know your self-worth, okay. Now you know what you deserve, okay. That's why you are getting lot of miracle is here. Expect the miracle here, Aquarius. Thank you for giving the message. Let's see what is the message from angels and ancestors for Aquarius love. There are too many messages. Okay. Peacekeeper, let go of the need to be right, Aquarius. You cannot be always right, okay. You need to be a peacekeeper here. Let go of the need to be right, and there is great teacher which came both together. Learn from your spiritual experience, okay. Learn from your spiritual experience. You are the great teacher. You are having spiritual knowledge now, so learn from your spiritual knowledge here, Aquarius. Let go of the need to be right. There is high priestess here. Harness the mystic power. See, you are right now very much using your intuitions. Your intuitions are guiding you very much, Aquarius. Use your intuitions. Harness mystic power. Medicine mother, honor your inner knowing. There is animals guardian, trust your instinct, okay. Use your intuition and trust your instincts. Beautiful. There is shaman master, Shaolin master, be graceful in movement and actions, okay. There is sage, be devoted and committed. So these are the messages. Let's add one message from activation oracle. What are the message for Aquarius? Believe. There is 11 number and there is belief. The frequency of belief supports our sense of self-worth based on our gifts and talents and a strong connection to the source. I told you this, that now you believe now you know your self-worth, okay. Now you know what you deserve because you are becoming more aware than before. You are getting your, can you see, you are having lot of spiritual experience, okay. You are a great spiritual knowledge. You are having great spiritual knowledge here. You are doing your inner work here. You are a great teacher, can you see. So that's why you have to believe here, and once you start believing it, beautiful things are coming for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the yogic path. What are the messages for Aquarius for the month of April? I'm not going to take it because it just get out from my hand. Shiv, beautiful, beautiful. Shiva, Pratyahara. urges, yamas. One more message. One more message. Priya. This is also wants to come out. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Kundalini and Parvati. Can you see how beautiful you are dealing with your divine counterpart here, Aquarius? Can you see? Shiva and Parvati both are here. Parvati and Kundalini. So you are becoming your highest self. I told you, your Kundalini awakening is happening for you here. Let me read it out for you. Shiva, god of destruction and rebirth. You are truly on a yogic path. Shiva is referred to as Adi Yogi, the first yogi ever. He attained enlightenment and abandoned himself in an ecstatic dance atop the Himalayas. When his ecstasy went beyond movement, he became utterly still. People could not understand his switch between ecstatic movement and stillness and thought him mad. However, seven students wanted to learn how he was moving past physical limitations. This is how he began teaching yoga. Shiva planted the seed of yoga into human mind. Pulling Shiva represents moving past the limitations from the society, body, mind, or ego. It represents doing the inner work to evolve. It is also called to service, to teach others your wisdom so they too can be liberated. I told you, you are doing your inner work here, Aquarius, and that's why you are getting this message here. You're becoming your highest self and beautiful, Aquarius. I'm proud of you. That's what I can tell you. Let me see the second message for you, that is Pratyahara. This is the eighth stage of yoga, control of all senses. Recently, you have let go of some distractions in your life, and everything has upgraded since. You have realized that holding on to things, food stimulates, or people only keeps you anchored to the physical world. Truth lies in letting go. All of that is not you. The daily coffee, piece of chocolate, social media addiction, or need to buy. Those were once such a part of your identity, but now diminish. This is a time to go deeper into Pratyahara and let go any attachments, even those that are less obvious. Continue to meditate, which draws you immediately into Pratyahara and illuminates what is you are holding on to. It is only from here that you can listen to the truth within and act accordingly. So let go anything on which you are holding on, Aquarius. You have already let go everything, but still if you are thinking that you need to let go this thing, so let go. Then there is Ojas. This is subtle essence of health and well-being, peaceful and patient. One look is all it takes to see how much ojas someone has. Have people been coming to you and telling you how healthy, rested, and happy you look? This is ojas. Ojas is the subtle essence related to health and well being with which you are filled. You radiate good health with your glowing skin, peaceful demeanor, and patient essence. Your dietary and lifestyle choices are showing up in your appearances, and your inner state is reflecting in your outer. Continue caring for your scared vessel and nourishing your body with foods and practices that make you thrive. So beautiful message here. Then there is yamas. This is eighth stage of yoga, universal mortality. Your kindness, compassion, and generosity beam to all around you. The ahimsa compassion you display to all living things does not go unnoticed. Only honesty flows from your lips. You speak words, step into truth, Satya. You display honor in your asatya, non stealing, because of your deep sense of brahmacharya control. You focus on what truly matters and have let go of excess belongings, practice apihanga or non possessiveness. Continue shedding all that does not serve you as a blossom closer to your higher self. Beautiful. There is Kriya. This is effortless flow. Life feels like a river that you are gracefully floating down with ease. You are on the path to your dharam, highest purpose, and doors are opening up for you. One connection leads to another, and things are moving at a high speed, Kriya. Don't feel overwhelmed. This is how life is meant to be experienced. When you are in Kriya, everything requires far less effort. The universe is propelling you in the direction of your dharma and providing you with assistance to fulfill the very important role you play. You no longer have to push, but rather than surrender to the greater forces at play. Keep up the flow and don't lose sight of your greater goal, uplifting the vibration of this planet Earth. I always tell you that you have the goal to raise the vibration of the frequency of the planet Earth. You are here to spread peace, love, harmony. Okay, here Aquarius. Then there is Scaral Chakra. Here, this is the chakra of creativity, abundance, and pleasure. Let these words be your mantra. Find what fills your cup and pour it all over the canvas of life. This is the time to put your creative projects first, the very ones you had on the shelves for months. This is also time to work on shifting your relationships with money and see it as an energetic tool that can bring you great freedom. This is also time to focus on pleasure and what makes you feel turned on. Learn about Tantra and cultivate Shakti, the divine feminine energy within. Dance around your living room and luxurious oil your body. Treat yourself the way you would do for a lover, for your life greatest love. So these are the beautiful messages from this deck, and I love it. Let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. What are the signs which Aquarius dealing with? They can be a Cancer, Gemini. What are the signs? They can be a Pisces, Virgo. Okay. They can be a Libra, Scorpio, Aries, and Aquarius. Okay. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. Okay. Aquarius and Libra. They can be Scorpio and Aries, Gemini and Pisces, Virgo and Cancer. So this was your general love reading for the month of April. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. In the extended, I'm going to clarify these cards. So see you there. Sending you lots of healing light, happy and beautiful energies to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.